In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to your Axiom account safely and securely. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your Axiom dashboard and hover on the top right corner where you can see the deposit. This will open up a lot of options. You want to make sure to deposit from Sol. Okay, so I need you to copy that Solana deposit address and go to your Phantom account. I have installed the Phantom via a Chrome extension, and from here all you have to do now is on the Phantom wallet Chrome extension, I need you to click the send button, and then you need to make sure that you are selecting Sol or Solana, and then enter the recipient Solana address, which is going to be the address we have copied from Axiom, and put in the amount. Let's say, for example, this one. You want to make sure that you have enough balance and click the next button. It's simple. Now, once the transaction is confirmed, your Sol balance will appear in your Axiom account and is ready to use for trading. And basically, that's how easy it is to transfer Sol from Phantom Wallet to Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.